Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Miatifullah. So today I'm going to show you how to open Microsoft Word, Excel, Access and PowerPoint using command prompt. So without further any ado, let's get started. So now I'm going to open up command prompt. And here I'm going to type commands to open Microsoft Word, Excel, Access and PowerPoint. So that's it, guys. That's how you can open Microsoft Word, Excel, Access and PowerPoint using command prompt. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.